Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube, okay? All right, right now I'm on St. Anthony, okay? I'm on St. Anthony near the Fillmore Park Apartments, formerly known as the Miracle Apartments, okay? So here's what I want to talk about: how these bus routes gonna affect some people, you know? All right, so some people here that live in these apartments right over here behind me gonna have to walk either T. Legion Fields or walk across that bridge on Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Or walk across that bridge on Marabou, you know. So there's some people that live in these houses. Some of them don't have cars, you know. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so let me take y'all over here at this bus stop right here, okay? All right. All right, here we go. All right, see where this bus stop is? It says bus stop closing. 51 St. Bernard, St. Anthony. Stop closed September 25th. Starting on Sunday, September 25th. Go to Elysian Fields at Selma 55 route. Ain't that something, y'all? That's a hot mess, y'all. That is totally a hot mess, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? So, well, y'all don't care what I'm about to say on this part right here. I used to live back here before they changed this, you know, since there were the Miracle Apartments. From 1994 November and December of 1997. Okay? So, my problem is, if it's gonna affect you citizens, it's gonna affect me too. You know, I really don't like these changes. You know, I really don't, honestly. You know, so the thing is, your RTA officials need to be passionate with for the passengers. You know what I'm saying? Okay, because there are some people that live back here that don't have a car, you know. Some people, when their cars break down, depends on the buses, you know. Okay, that's all I'm saying, y'all. But I'm not gonna curse y'all out on my show, you know. But some of you people that's from out of town changing stuff around and stuff like that, you know, you don't know nothing about this community. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So that's all I'm saying, y'all. You folks don't know anything about this community, okay? So I'm right here to tell y'all, and not only that, y'all. People that go to this church right here, Beacon Light, you know, they even have some people that go to church. It depends on the buses, you know. So all I'm saying, y'all. These bus routes changes, these bus route changes don't make no sense, you know. It's gonna stop by Columbia Park like it used to do before Katrina, you know. Yeah, bad business. RTA, New Orleans RTA, Regional Transit Authority, you know. I don't think Viola would have allowed this, you know. I really don't think Viola would have allowed this, you know, or Transdale, you know. So, for these people that don't have cars that live back here, you know, I mean, even down the street right here on Timberleon, you know. So, all I'm saying, y'all, New Orleans RTA, y'all gotta be considerate for the passengers. You know what I'm saying? That's all, okay? That's all I'm saying, y'all. Because all I'm saying, y'all, the route changes here like that do not make sense, you know? I mean, it ain't going to all the way affect me. It's going to affect me with my free time, you know? Places I want to go, like the General Mire and stuff like that, it's going to affect me, you know? I like the Algiers Point, you know? I like that route. It's a wonderful route, you know, going down Mardi Gras Boulevard and stuff like that. I never heard of a street called Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras Mambo. Yeah, I gotta tell y'all, I love Mardi Gras. It's like a second Christmas. When family get together and stuff like that, you know? Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I mean, y'all. Okay? All right. So all I'm saying, y'all, please, RT officials, please, after all this, change the routes back to where it is, but keep the Leanders Gentili, okay? Not that'll be convenient from the Audubon Zoo to the the Audubon Zoo to the you know, you have the Audubon Zoo to the Gentili Walmart, you know. Expand a marinade by water, okay? That's all I'm asking y'all. Expand the some of the routes, and let me tell y'all something. If y'all expand the 5 Bywater Marinade, I guarantee y'all gonna have more passengers riding. Okay? All right, thank y'all for watching. All right, I'm about to go visit somebody, and I'm gonna continue with the Domino 7 show. All right, I'm gonna continue with the Domino 7 show, a bus ride before the route changes. Okay? All right.